In this video, I'll be talking about cell communication, and I'll use Pocahontas to explain. I'll be talking about the different kinds of signaling. I'll be talking about direct contact, synaptic signaling, parasyn signaling, and endocrine signaling. But direct contact is usually used in the early development stages. There's two kinds of communication. There's gap junction, which will be used for animals or animal cells, and plasmodesmata, which is used for plant cells. So in this picture, I was showing Pocahontas, deciding like a way to go. Synaptic signaling usually occurs between nerve cells or nerve cells and muscles. And this would be, this would be Pocahontas talking to her father and communicating to somebody that does a completely different job. The parasyn signaling, it has to do with local communication, usually like for growth factors. So I use this picture is of Pocahontas talking to John Smith. Together, they end up making a friendship or a bond between the two in the movie, and that's basically what the parasyn signaling does with like neighboring cells, so that they can do something, and it helps, like, especially when you're growing. And the endocrine signaling is for distance. So examples from Pocahontas would be like when they use the drums to warn everybody that's not close by about the dangers, and that the way they always have to spread the word, because endocrine signaling is for the distance, and it usually goes like through the hormones, and it travels along to spread the word to the rest of the cells in your body. And those are the types of signaling for cell communication.